AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it as a computer playing chess, recognizing speech, or even driving a car. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, our friendly virtual companions, are all common examples of AI. They're designed to make our lives easier by understanding and processing our requests through natural language processing. Based on the powerful GPT-4 architecture, it's designed to generate human-like text, enabling it to engage in conversations, answer questions, and even write creative content. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that can help you write essays, draft emails. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can perform a wide range of tasks related to language processing, including 1. Language translation. It can translate text from any language to another. Text summarization. GPT-4 can automatically summarize large pieces of text, making it easier for humans to quickly understand the main points of the text. It can answer questions by using its knowledge of various topics and its ability to reason about information. It can generate text in a variety of styles and tones, including creative writing, technical writing, and conversational language. It can offer sentimental analysis, which means analyze the sentiment of a given piece of text and determine whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. It also offers chatbot functionality, which means simulate human-like conversations, responding to user input in a conversation manner, and also providing helpful information on responses. In addition, it can provide information retrieval, which means it can search quickly through large data sets of information and retrieve relevant data based on a user's query. Also, it can provide text classification, which means it can classify text into different categories such as spam versus legitimate emails or news content. It can also provide image captioning, which means it can analyze images and describe the contents of the image in the natural language. Alright, that's a deep dive into the world of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights.